My name is David. I'm the literacy educator at the Eric Carle Museum of Picture Book Art. Thank you for joining Storytime with the Carle, our weekly read aloud series. Joining us today is special guests, author Samantha Berger and illustrator Mike Curato, who are here to share their magical new book, The Sharey Godmother, just out from Macmillan Books. Welcome, Samantha. Welcome, Mike. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yay!
Hi, David.
Hi, David.
Hi, Carle Museum.
Carle Museum.
Hello, world.
Hello, world. Thank you so much for having us.
It's great to be here again.
Yes, always great to be with the Carle. The last time that Mike and I were together at the Carle was with our last book, What If? And as soon as we can be together at the Carle again, we will be.
And we can't wait to have you back in person.
Yes. And after we made What If, we thought, what if we made another book together? And why not share that experience a second time? So we made The Sharey Godmother.
Yay! And we are here to share the book with you today. Thank you so much for having us.
Yes. And now, to continue on with our emphasis of sharing, I am going to share my screen.
Yes.
Yes.
The Sharey Godmother, written by Samantha Berger, that's me, illustrated by Mike Curato. There he is. This is Sharey T. Ferry. She is also known as the Sharey Godmother. This has nothing to do with her name, Sharey. That's just a coincidence. It has everything to do with her love of sharing. If you forget your lunch, Sharey will share half of hers, the bigger half, and dessert, and probably a snack for later. If you want to have a party, Sharey will throw it for you, and cook, and decorate, and give out gift bags. If you need to take a vacation, Sharey will fly you there and share her cabana and her ice cream sundae and souvenirs, and make you a commemorative photo album to remember all the good times. So many good times. Sharey likes to surprise people with hot chocolate. Bring! Or leave books for someone else to find. Bring! Or scoop up dog dew when folks forget to pick it up. Bring! Sharey loves sharing these random acts of kindness. It feels warm and wumpy inside her heart, like a reminder of everything good the world can be. But some of Sharey's friends wonder about her sharing.
Isn't it unfair that no one else gives back as much?
Asks the unfairy godmother, who likes to point out how unfair life can be.
Does anyone say thank you?
Asks the bewary godmother, who is naturally suspicious.
Would people still be your friend if you didn't share?
Asks the scary godmother, who tends to ask terrifying questions.
We're only asking because we care.
Says the Carey godmother, who honestly cares. Sharey is always grateful when her friends share their thoughts, so she gives it a good think. Is it true no one gives back as much? Is it true no one says thank you? And most of all, is she only sharing so people will be her friend? This one worries her the most. So as an experiment, Sharey tries to see what not sharing feels like. When it's her turn on the roller coaster, she does not share her seat. When she gets reggae festival tickets, she does not bring a friend. When she bakes her fairy eclairs, she does not give them out like she always does. So this is not sharing. When she decides not to refill her candy jar, no one else fills it either. Gradually, the candy dwindles down and down until there's only an empty candy jar. Wah, wah. Sharey feels a little like an empty candy jar. Wah, wah. Maybe the other fairy godmothers were right, Sharey wonders. Not that many people do share equally, and people do forget to say thank you. Maybe I am giving because I am afraid people won't be my friend if I don't. Yuck. Womp womp.
I told you it was one-sided,
says the unfairy godmother.
From now on, you can be on guard,
says the bewary godmother.
Isn't life such a bummer sometimes?
Asks the scary godmother.
Are you okay?
Asks the scary godmother. Sharey is not okay. Something is wrong. Something feels off. Something feels all jammed up inside. But some of Sharey's other friends see things differently. For them, it has nothing to do with the things she shares. It has everything to do with the time she shares with them. They can see Sharey doesn't feel quite right when she isn't sharing.
Sharey, when you share, you do it because giving makes you feel good, not because you expect to get anything back,
says the awary godmother. She is so wise.
When you share, you do it because generosity is in your heart, not because you want to be thanked in return,
says the declary godmother. She always knows the right thing to say.
Sharing is who you are. You need to get out there and go be yourself,
says the repairy godmother. Sharey knows what she has to do. Sharey bursts through the window and flies out into the world. She gives her baby blanket to a mama bird building her nest, and it feels good. Bring. She reads stories to the seniors at the senior center, and it feels great. Bring. She sends root beer floats to a couple getting engaged, and it's the best. Bring, bring. By the time she refills her candy jar, she is 100% back to being herself. Sharey T. Fairy is the Sharey godmother. She shares because she loves to share. She shares because it's who she is. She shares because it feels warm and comfy inside her heart. And it is a reminder of everything good the world can be. And it can be. The end. You're such a good reader, Mike Curato.
No, you're such a good reader, Samantha.
Oh, you're such a good reader. I love when you share reading.
I love when you share your talents.
I love when you
And
share.
now, now I'm going to share some drawing. Hey, and bear with me while I press a lot of buttons and
I'll just wave this magic wand and it's going to
don't look at me, look at the wand. Okay, but here we go.
Oh, there's her face again.
Some eyes and nose and her mouth. Woo-hoo. And she's got a big honkin' bow.
Oh, wonder what that's like.
I know. It must be nice.
Don't know a thing about that.
And then she's got these bangs or pink hair. And the rest of her hair is made out of balloons.
What?
Because she's so festive and fun.
She is festive.
Yeah. Now that's an updo. And we've got these mirror ball earrings. Pretty fabulous.
Totally need those.
And then she's got a little dress here.
Like a little dress.
Oh. She's waving at you. Hi.
Hey, Sherry. Sherry.
And she's got in her other hand a magic wand.
What? Ooh, and it's got magic stuff coming out.
It's sparkling. And she's got some little tiny feet here. And she's got little bows on them.
Her bows is one of my favorite parts.
And of course, Sherey has wings and they look like flower petals.
I do. I noticed that all the fairies in the book have wings made out of different things.
Yes, you're right. Oh, can I please move this? Okay, and now I was just gonna color her in a little bit because we can't just have a black and white Sherey.
I wonder what colors you're going to go with.
I don't know. Could it be
Not a clue.
pink? Pink with pink and more pink.
What?
Got some hot pink here and some hot pink there.
Here pink, there pink.
Everywhere a pink pink.
Ugh, look at those wings. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Fly, pinky, fly. Just clean up a little bit. And, oh yeah, this is hot pink as well. Her bow. And she's got some lipstick there. And the rest of her, she's got like a bubblegum pink, right?
Oh, yeah. There are lots and lots of pinks out there.
Yeah, can't get enough.
True. They all kind of work together.
This is making me really hungry, Sam. This reminds me of cotton candy.
When I
And
first saw
strawberry
Sherry,
ice cream.
yeah, I thought your hair was made of candy, remember?
That's right. If only that were true. But then I'd be eating my own hair. And that probably isn't good.
It's been done.
She's got some polka dots. Right? And we'll color in her wand here. Bring. Yay.
Oh, hers is leaking glitter just like mine.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. We share that.
You may want to get that looked at.
Ask your doctor about leaking glitter.
All right. Got her skin. Yeah, and then final touch. She's got some fantastic blue eyeshadow going on here.
Oh, yeah.
Yay! All right.
That was fabulous. I loved it. Every
Thank you.
second of it.
Thanks.
Mike and I worked really hard to make an activity kit so that other people could have some ideas on how to share also.
Yeah. And we will, guess what?
What?
Share that with you now.
No.
I will. The Sharey Godmother activity kit. We've got lots of stuff in here. We've got Sharey's top 10 ways to share, even from afar.
And these are all things that Mike and I have done together or apart. We've baked things and left them for people, or given flowers to people we didn't know, or left a nice note for the postal carrier. Here are some notes that you can leave. You can cut that out them and leave them for people who are special in your life.
You can play a word scramble.
These are pretty tricky. And so is this one.
This is word search. We like words.
We love words.
It's a word
That's why we
circle.
call it word circle.
Yes. Oh, spot the difference. Can you tell what's different in these illustrations? Don't say it out loud. Keep your cards closed.
And this is a Sharey
Sam-
along to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb, all about sharing, all about the book.
Yeah. And then we've got a few coloring pages in here for you. And there's a memory card game with all of our fairy friends you can cut out and play. And of course, an answer key. Don't look at the answers. No cheating. No cheating. So, David, I think will be so kind as to post a link to all this stuff along with the video, and then you can download it and share it with whoever you would like.
That's right. And we can't wait to share this book with you and hope that you love it and share it with the people who mean a lot to you in your life. And thank you so much for having us. Hearts for you, David, for you, Mike, for Carle, for everybody watching. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Samantha and Mike, for taking the time to share this beautiful book with us and to show us how you go about creating this book together. For those who are viewing, if you'd like to purchase a copy, you can visit the Carle Shop and you'll receive a book plate signed by Samantha and Mike. On behalf of everyone at the Carle and Samantha and Mike, thank you so much for joining our story time and sharing your stories. We hope you'll join us next time. In the meantime, keep sharing and making the world a more giving place. Bye.
Thanks, everybody.
Okay, bye. Thank you.